Hey everyone, it's actually a new day since I have done with the projects that you have just seen now. I will give you the updates of where they have gone, but they are in a temporary place because everything you are seeing right now is in a temporary state because I will soon make a change over here in my garden, a beautiful change for which everything has to go from here. Everything, it will be totally clear, and I will redesign the whole thing, and I hope to make something beautiful. So that will take somewhere around 2 months, I think, because I will not be able to do everything by my own, but I will need some help. But however, whatever I have done in today's video, whatever I'm showing it to you. So at first, these are the plants uh, at first which I have done with this one, and another one is over there, that plant over there. So let's take a close-up look. So here is the plant. It is a crepe myrtle, and yes, you can see how much uh, the uh, it has means how much it has flowered at first. Means you can see that these are the seed pods. Means it was loaded with blooms a few weeks back as well, but this plant required a good trim because uh, there were many dead plants just like that, just like this. So these needs to be removed because anything that is dead in a plant, it makes a place for the bad insects to live or stay in that particular area. So it is very important to remove any dead stuffs in any plant. So I have removed all the dead spots in this plant because there were many dead branches in this plant. In this plant as well, this one is the pink variety, and in this white one as well. Actually I had made the video with the white one as well, but the means the video quality was very hazy and I need to remove that clip from the video. But um, yeah, this is the plant. You can see the new growth, how much fresh and lovely looking the new growths are. And for the red one, means the pink one, these are the new growths. They are burned due to the high heat which we are getting. It was kept in full sunlight, and it's okay, it will reflush new growth, and I will show you. You can already see the new growth coming from here, so it will rebound very soon. So yeah, this is the crepe myrtle, white one, and these are having new buds as well, as you can see. Pruning is very important because and another thing I have done is that I have cut all the branches which were making this plant a mess. It's a kind of mess because you will see I have cut this branch because it was going this way, so it was blocking this area, and I want airflow within the plants. If you will see this plant as well, you will see there is a ton of gaps, so air can pass through it, and it will decrease the amount of infestation of different insects, as well as it is be means every part of the plant will be able to breathe, will be able to get sunlight, and the overall performance of the plant will be much better if I will take care of that. You will see that I have means kind of trained this plant so that it can grow just like a V shaped. So that's it. So yeah, that's the total thing you can see over here. And another thing, the all the dead branches or whatever I have cut, this plant was, both of these plants were healthy. So whatever I have cut from this plant, I have just chopped them, and I have used them only as a mulch. I have not covered them with anything. They will dry from the sunlight, they will dry up, they will crumble, and they will eventually become a kind of compost. And the main reason for me to add them, uh, let me give a close-up shot. So as you can see, these are already dried, so they will dry up, and um, they will help in suppression of the weeds. So yeah, that's my main goal. So yeah, that's the main thing. I have not fertilized them today because it is rainy season. In monsoon season we are not supposed to fertilize any of our plants because everything will leach out. So I have not fertilized them. They're already healthy, pretty healthy plants, and they're already established plants. That's why they do not require extra amount of fertilizers right now, but I will add fertilizer at the end of the season. I have more crepe myrtles as well. Let me show you. Here is one color. You can see how much beautiful it is. Another one is over here, this black color. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I can't wait for this plant to grow up to this size. I also bought these plants I also bought when they were like this as well, but they are now so big. This is one crepe myrtle. So that's the thing. uh, Let me go over here. So yeah, this is a jasmine mogra plant, another variety. You will see the difference in the leaves as well. You can see, I think. So these are different. This is also one different because this is jasmine. This is a jasmine plant. You can see the blooms over here. They are absolutely gorgeous blooms, as well as they are the most fragrant bloom in my garden. They're small, dainty looking flowers, but they're so fragrant, what I can say. So this is my jasmine garden. So that is my goal only. A portion only jasmine garden, a portion of hibiscus, a portion of ornamental plants or a border of ornamental plants, a portion of lemons. Let me show you the lemons. They are, means, just look at them. Look at the lemons. They're gorgeous. They look gorgeous only. uh, and here also the lime. I hope you can see the limes. It is loaded. This plant is loaded with limes. Another plant I need to work with, this one. I will work with this one later on. This is a uh, Rangoon creeper. It is one of the most stunning flowers which you can see. um, if it blooms, I will show you. But now it is I think this plant requires a major change in soil. So I will make a video on that later on. So yeah, so that's the thing. I have already given you the updates of everything over here. You will see, you can see that this plant is doing good. Share with you that if you have seen the video, you will see that how much root bounded this plant was in that little container. I had to struggle with that root ball so that I can able to tear it apart, because it is important. Otherwise the plant will not grow in a proper way in this, what to say, means it is good for the growth of the overall growth of the plant, so that that I can just remove the excessive root system or the tear apart the root system. New roots will come out from the injured part, and this plant will be able to take all the nutrients that I have extra added. I've added bone meal, I have added neem oil cake, I have added compost at the top. If you have seen the video, if you have not observed that, you can just go back, or I will I think I will be able to give some pop-ups on the screen as well. I will try. So yeah, that's the thing. So as you can see, it is taking it very well. It has not even wilted. And right after I have planted this, it rained. So that was a blessing as well. So because rainwater is one of the best thing you can give to a plant. It is full of nutrients, and it's absolutely nice. Just look at this. This is the bouquet of uh, balsam plants, and they will bloom shortly. They have not yet budded yet, but they will bloom, I know. And it will be a gorgeous container as well. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. So if you like this kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you want any other topic that you want to see in my channel, just you can just let me know in the comment as well. Do follow me on Instagram as well, Happy Organic Gardening. And I just post many reels and different kind of flowers pictures. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.